In this video, we will explore the surface area of cylinders, spheres, cones, pyramids, and prisms. Surface area. Surface area is total area of the outer surfaces of a 3D object. Surface area is expressed in square units such as square centimeters, square meters, square inches, square feet. Usage. For example, imagine wrapping a gift. The amount of wrapping paper you need equals the gift's surface area. Surface area of cylinder. This is a cylinder. R is the radius of its circular base and h is its height. A cylinder has two circular bases. Area of one base is equal to pi r squared. The lateral surface area is equal to 2 pi r h. The total surface area is equal to area of two bases plus lateral area is equal to 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. Surface area of sphere. This is a sphere. Let r be the radius of the sphere. The surface area of a sphere is equal to 4 pi r squared. Surface area of cone. This is a cone. R is the radius of its circular base and S is its slant height. Base area is equal to pi r squared. Lateral area is equal to pi r s. Total surface area is equal to base area plus lateral area is equal to pi r squared plus pi r s. Surface area of square-based pyramid. This is a square-based pyramid. Let B be the side length of its square base and S the slant height of each triangular face. Base area is B squared. One triangular face area is equal to 1 divided by 2 times B times S. A square-based pyramid has 4 triangular faces. So total surface area is equal to 4 times triangular face area plus base area. Here 4 times triangular face area. One triangular face area is equal to 1 divided by 2 times B times S. So 4 times triangular face area is equal to 4 times 1 divided by 2 times B times S is equal to 2 times B times S plus B squared. Surface area of triangular pyramid. This is a triangular pyramid. Let B be the side length of its triangular base. S the slant height of each lateral face and L the base height. Base area is equal to 1 divided by 2 times B times L. One lateral face area is equal to 1 divided by 2 times B times S. Total surface area is equal to base area plus 3 times lateral face area. Because here there are total 3 lateral face areas is equal to 1 divided by 2 times B times L plus 3 divided by 2 times B times S. Surface area of rectangular prism. This is a rectangular prism. It has right angles at every edge. Let W be its width, H its height, and L its length. A rectangular prism has 6 faces. 2 faces of size W times H. So total surface area is equal to 2 times W times H plus two faces of size L times W. So total surface area is equal to 2 times W times H plus 2 times L times W plus two faces of size L times H. So total surface area is equal to 2 times W times H plus 2 times L times W plus 2 times L times H is equal to 2 times in the bracket W times H plus L times W plus L times H close the bracket. Surface area of cube. This is a cube. Let S be the length of one side. One face area is equal to S squared. A cube has 6 identical square faces. So total surface area is equal to 6 times S squared. Surface area of triangular prism. This is a triangular prism. It has two congruent triangular bases and three rectangular faces. Let A, B, and C be the side lengths of each triangular base. Let L be the height of the base triangle. Let H be the length of the prism. Area of one triangular base is equal to 1 divided by 2 times B times L. Areas of the three rectangles is equal to A times H plus B times H plus C times H. Total surface area is equal to lateral area, means areas of the three rectangles plus area of two bases is equal to A times H plus B times H plus C times H plus area of two bases. Area of one triangular base is equal to 1 divided by 2 times B times L. So total area of two bases is equal to B times L. So total surface area is equal to A times H plus B times H plus C times H plus B times L. I hope this clears up how to find surface areas of cylinders, spheres, cones, pyramids, and prisms. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like and subscribe for more math videos.